Hey there, my name is Bhagyesh. Today I gonna show you how pointer works in Go programming language. Pointers are reference to specific memory address of variable. Unlike struct and strings, pointer don't hold large memory because it just hold address of variable, which makes it memory efficient. Let me show you one example on the board. Consider I created one variable x is equal to 5. So in memory, the x will be created at random address and 5 will be stored in it. Now consider I create another variable and I assign x to it. Now this is passed by value. So y will be created in memory at random address and 5 will be stored in it. And if I change value of y to the 7, so 7 will be stored in the y, not in x. So let's create a pointer and we'll assign it the reference of x, or we can call it as address of x. Now in memory at random location this pointer will be created and value of this pointer will be the address of x, not the value of x. So when we say dereference p equal to 10, so it will not update value of the pointer but it will update value of x. So in this case we have only one copy of value. Okay, let's write program for it so that we understand it clearly. Here I will define x equal to 5. Now I will create another variable called y equal to x. Now it will create the copy of value. And now if I change value of y to 10, it will not change value at x. So let's print this println value of x equal to x and then and address of x, that is ampersand x. Let's print the values of y. Value of y equal to y and address of y equal to ampersand y. Now let's run this program and see. Go run main.go. You can see here both variable have different memory address. So when I change value of y, it doesn't reflect for x. Now let's see example of pointer so that we can see the difference. Now I will create variable p, will assign reference of x, and if I say dereference p equal to 20, so it will change now value at the address where p is pointing. Let's print the values again. Println value of x, that is x, and address of x. Value of pointer and address of pointer. Let's save and run this program. As you can see here, in first time when we changed the value of y, it didn't reflected for x. But when I change value where pointer is pointing, it change value for x. And p has same value which is address of x. So that's all about pointers in Go programming language. Alright guys, I hope you have learned something new today. I will catch you soon. Thank you.